For today's recipe, we are going to make ginataang mais, or what we call lelot mais. I will be using this freshly harvested corn from our province. I grated it using my cheese grater. You can replace this with your canned whole kernel corn. This is 1 cup glutinous rice or malagkit, washed until the water is clear and soaked for 2 hours. Salt to taste. Sugar to your desired sweetness. So this is a new discovery for me, the coconut cream, fresh gata. Coconut cream is the unang piga, which means first squeeze from the coconut. If it states coconut milk, then that's the second and third squeeze. This is proudly made in the Philippines. This is 400 ml. We just heat our pan and bring the gata to a simmer. This is low to medium heat. This is what we use to make our latik. Latik is the toppings for kalamay, which is the Filipino rice cake. This is also used to make the lana or coconut oil. When this is simmering, we just simply mix and add in our rice. As I stated earlier, I wash our rice, and this is just to remove the excess starch. If you don't have time to soak the rice, just add water and reduce by simmering. Stir frequently to avoid the rice from clumping. As I have stated in my previous videos, the older your rice, the more water it needs to hydrate. So if your liquid is not enough to cook the rice, you can add more water, then simmer it down until your rice is cooked. So we are now halfway to cooking the rice. I will be adding our uncooked corn. If you are using the canned corn, you can add it later. Season with salt midpoint and also at the very end. When your rice is about to cook, add your sugar. Adjust to your taste. So we wait until the sugar melts and the rice to cook. Now you have your lelot mais or your ginataang mais. Enjoy! Like and subscribe.